Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying 0 voltage with a tester. Safety first. Once done, pull the dishwasher out just enough to reach the toe kick and remove the junction box cover. Now remove the appropriate knockout and slide the power cord through a strain relief. This prevents wire stress. Make sure you have wire strippers, a screwdriver, and the cord kit rated for 120V dishwasher circuits ready before you proceed. Strip about 3/4 of an inch of insulation. This gives a solid conductor for the terminal. Then, match colors, hot to hot, neutral to neutral, and ground to ground, and wrap or insert per the dishwasher terminal design. Tighten terminal screws firmly, but don't over-torque and damage the threads. Once wired, clamp the cord with the strain relief so any tug is taken by the box, not the electrical connections. This avoids future loose connections and arcing. Tuck the wires back into the junction box so nothing pinches when you slide the dishwasher into place. Then replace the cover and secure the unit. Turn the breaker back on and run a short rinse cycle to confirm the motor runs and there are no electrical smells or tripped breakers. If the unit doesn't power, shut the breaker off and recheck your terminal tightness and continuity on each conductor. Often a loose screw or misseated conductor is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.